The airflow showcases leading-edge electrified drive system technology that delivers between 350 and 400 miles of range, as well as fast charging functionality. Advanced safety technologies are true to maintaining Chrysler's safety leadership. An intuitive AI and connected vehicle technology will be delivered because the future isn't just about getting people from point A to point B. We're creating a seamlessly connected hub that brings the customer's lifestyle along with the vehicle. The airflow concept embodies Chrysler's new contemporary technology-forward exterior design that's highlighted by an LED illuminated Chrysler wing logo in the front light blade. The interior is beautifully crafted with sustainable materials and premium finishes that are modern, comfortable, and configurable to suit each occupant. The STLA Smart Cockpit synchronizes digital work and home environments to create a personalized experience for each passenger. And STLA Brain technology delivers over-the-air updates that are designed to easily deliver new and upgraded features and functions. The airflow also features STLA Auto Drive, which includes Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities that are also over-the-air upgradable.